Hi everyone, I'm Steve Olson. Behind the camera is Raul Avila. We're your Hunter and FX Luminaire reps in Southern California. Today we're at a custom production home here in Winchester, and we're going to talk about the Hydrawise controller. We get a lot of phone calls from maintenance contractors that are taking over some of these new homes and have some troubles taking the controller out of offline mode and setting it up online. So we're going to go through that and some of the pieces you need to take away and hook up to the internet. So bring the camera in, and we're gonna walk through on how we can take it out of offline and put it into online mode. All right, here we are on a close-up of the screen. First thing you're going to go to is your settings. The next button you're going to want to push is your offline programs and settings. The next thing you're going to want to push is enable Wi-Fi. It's going to ask you again, you want to go online, you're going to push go online. It's going to reboot the controller. Once your controller comes back up, it's going to ask you to configure your controller via our app. You'll need to connect to your internet. Press OK to start, or press configure offline. Well, we're going to do this online, so we're going to push OK. Okay? Now it's going to search for wireless networks. We're going to push OK again. Now it brings up a list of the wireless networks that are in range. Notice it gives you a single strength down below. The one we're actually looking for is actually the top one up here, this My Spectrum. And we want to make sure our signal strength is over 80. That way we have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So we're going to go ahead and select that Wi-Fi up there and then push confirm. Now we need to put in the password. We're going to put in our password here. If you make a mistake, just back up. Sometimes I use like the end of a pen because it's a true touch screen, not like your cell phone where it needs to feel your finger. Once you get the password in there, push OK. And you notice we've got a constant Wi-Fi marker down on the bottom. We can always check our Wi-Fi status going into the status screen and controller status. See, server status connecting to the internet. And while we're here in this section, we want to jot down our serial number here, because this is what's going to connect the app to this account. And notice our service status went up to OK. So we're live and connected to the internet. Now we need to take that serial number to the internet and log on to hydrawise.com or log on to the app from our cell phone. And if you want a full video on that, click the link below. Otherwise, thank you, and we'll see you next time.